Welcome back to Before and Afternoon Movie on USA. I'm Henry, and I'm here with our guest Melissa, who's hoping to jumpstart her diet with the help of the Special K Challenge. Now, the challenge is to replace breakfast and lunch with Special K, and then have a healthy dinner. So, Devin, what are we making for dinner?
Well, Melissa mentioned that she loves fast food. Who doesn't? So, we are going to show her how to make a much healthier version. This burger and fries traditionally would have about 900 calories and 50 grams of fat.
Ouch.
My version is going to have 300 less calories and 30 grams of fat less than the original.
How do we get started?
First thing is to cook your patty. I'm using 3 ounces of 96% lean beef. Prepare your own special sauce made with ketchup, yellow mustard, low-fat mayo, onion, and relish. Place 1 slice of 2% American cheese on your patty and complete your burger with vegetable fixins.
Mine's a smiley. Devin, I'm seeing French fries. How did we make those more healthy?
Well, we just toss them in a touch of olive oil and then we bake them instead of deep frying them.
Melissa, would you care to join me?
Sure. That's very good.
That's dinner taken care of. When we come back, Devin is going to talk about portion control. But the big question is portion control, and I think that's a big concern of yours, Melissa. So, what's the worry?
I'm a little nervous because the word diet to me sounds like I probably shouldn't eat a whole lot.
Devin, help us out.
Well, I have 3 plates here, and I'm curious, what do you think you should be eating?
I think that the right portion is this portion.
My guess would be this plate.
Actually, no. It's important when you're dieting that you don't starve yourself. This plate is the correct plate.
Now, Melissa, you chose the smallest portion. Are you surprised that that is the portion that you can have on a diet?
I am surprised, but that's good news because then I feel like I can eat more. I'm not starving myself and looks good.
What happens if you go to a party where they're serving food, like a wedding? Stick around to find out when Before and Afternoon Movie continues on USA. But let's talk about the dieter's nightmare. Devin, what do you do when you go to a party where there's tons of free food?
Do you have any special events coming up?
This is actually perfect timing. My husband and I are going to a wedding in a few weeks.
Well, my big advice, eat first. You want to eat enough to get you past a couple hours. Whatever you do, you do not want to show up famished because you'll just eat out of control.
When we come back, it's the moment we've all been waiting for. Melissa is going to step onto the scale and we'll see how she's doing halfway through the Special K Challenge. You won't have to wait much longer. Welcome back to Before and Afternoon Movie on USA. I'm Henry, and I'm here with our guest Melissa, who's taking the Special K Challenge. For the last 2 weeks, she's replaced breakfast and lunch with a serving of Special K, and then enjoyed a normal, healthy dinner. Now let's talk about the killer of many a diet, the snack.
We're going to stick with some fruit. We're going to have a fruit sorbet.
A sorbet sounds fancy, and to me, fancy equals complicated. So is this going to be really tough?
Fortunately, in this case, not so difficult. So all you do is you put the frozen berries in the food processor, process them until they're fine, and then add some yogurt and lime juice and process that a little more, and that's it. You're done. 2/3 of a cup of this has only 70 calories and just a trace of fat.
Oh, well, it looks beautiful. Shall we taste it?
Absolutely.
All right. Really good.
Really good.